If you think there's no way you can work up a sweat in just 5 minutes, stick around. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my terrace outside. So this is a little sneak peek workout that you can only find the full length version inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. I really think that you're going to enjoy this because it goes from a little bit of cardio straight into toning, which is kind of like a classic Tracy Campoli style. And so I really think that you're going to enjoy it. I did use a pair of 3-pound weights for this workout. So if you've got 3-pound weights, go ahead and grab them. 1s, 2s, 3-pound weights, or no weights at all are just fine. Sneakers, and you're definitely going to work up a sweat. So let's get into it and I'll see you on the other side. And go into little butt kicker runs here. Again, low impact version would just be a little hamstring curl, or you can just go into a nice little butt kicker run. Good, my hair's all over the place here. Good, keep on breathing. That's it, that's it. Woo! Beautiful. I love working out outside. It's really my favorite. Good. All right, so that goes by really quick. All right, go ahead and pick up your weights here. You're gonna just bend the knees softly, go into a fly, and then up to a 5th position, okay? Arms out to a fly, and 5th position. Keep drawing in your belly here. That's it. And up. Good, keep going here. And lift it up. Nice, and out. And lift, we got it, and out. I really love working the back here. It feels so good. And up. Okay, good. So next up, we're gonna go into a squat with a little bit of a knee twist here. So squat it down, twist it. Squat, 30 seconds. We're gonna just do both sides, okay? That's it, and squat. You got it, down. And down. Beautiful. Good. The time just feels like it's flying today. Maybe not for you, but for me, I'm like, what is happening? Good. Excellent. Let's go right into the other side. Down, lift it, and twist. We're gonna feel those obliques, feeling the booty work here. You can go a little faster than me, a little slower, whatever feels good for you. Remember, it's your workout, it's your body. Make it work for you. That's it. Good. Keep on going here. Whew, I'm feeling my legs, inner thighs. Whew. Good. Awesome. Okay, next up we're gonna go into speed skater. Low impact version. You can just kind of step out here like I'm doing, or go for adding just a little bit of a hop here. That's it. Good. Really nice speed skater action here. See if you can pick up your pace just a little bit. Woo! Feeling that? Oh yes. Good. That's it. Good. Breathing. Perfect. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and we're gonna grab your weights here, and you're gonna, from straight arms here, I want you to internally rotate, externally rotate, internally rotate, and externally rotate. That's it. Good. Make sure you're really breathing here. Keep the abs in nice and tight. Perfect. Good. And up. That's it. Breathing. Okay, good. Perfect. So we're going to go into little jump rope next. So just nice and easy, little jump rope. You could do doubles. You can keep it low impact. It's step rope, okay? Whatever feels good for you, do that. Okay, good. Breathing here. Woo, I'm feeling the sweat. We are bringing the heat. This should be fun, should be easy. Good, good, good. Awesome. Okay, good. Pick up your weights here. I know it's up and down, up and down. So balance on one leg. You're gonna just feel that balance. Bring the arms up. Bicep curls, alternating curls, okay? So 30 seconds on one side with moving parts. Not exactly the easiest, but I'm doing this on purpose because I love you and I care about you. And balance is one of the most important things that we can focus on. So make sure you work it. We don't use it, we lose it for sure. All right, next we're gonna go into little hops here. So double hops here, kind of jumping rope again, or you're stepping, okay? So whatever feels good for you. And then we gotta do that on the other side, the balance. Okay, good, breathing. Whew. That's it. Good. Come on. Breathe, breathe. Shoulders on your back. Good. I love workouts like this because the transitions are just so quick that it just makes it more fun. Okay, so balancing on the other leg here. Arms are up and good. I was like, am I on the other leg? I think I am. If I'm not, sorry. Make sure you change. Good. Pretty sure I am. I'm like 90% sure. Good. Breathing here. That's it. Whew. Good. Sweating. I told you we'd be bringing the heat today. Good. Woo-hoo. All right, perfect. I told you would sweat, right? Super fun, but really, really effective. And I love doing workouts like this where you can really tailor it to your needs by making it low impact if you need to, or if you want to go a little faster, slower. And that's really the principle of everything that you'll find inside of Total Body Transformation. So I have a special invitation for those of you, especially those of you that are over 40 like me. If you haven't checked out my brand new masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40, you'll want to check it out right now. I have the link down below here in the description box, and I would love to see you there. I'm really going to give you the exact roadmap and everything that I follow to really get you feeling your most fit, your most fabulous, your most energetic at any age and any stage of life. So I cannot wait to see you there. And if you want to keep things going over here on YouTube, make sure to check out this workout next, and I'll see you there.